Hello everyone, in this video we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up RAYNET CRM Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install. Here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to a Smart Q video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Here, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup. You're going to enter your user email. Here we need our instant name, so we're going to head over to our account online. Click on the drop down. You're going to click on About RAYNET CRM. Copy your instant name and get your instant name from here. So you go back to your account, enter your instant name, head over back to your account online, click on the drop down, click on Settings. From the drop down menu, you're going to scroll down and click on API Keys. Click on New API Key and click here to select a user. You're going to enter a description and click on Save. Click on the edit icon. Once you're done, click on the icon to copy your API key and click on Save. Head over back to your account and paste your API key. Click on Complete Setup. There we go. The app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the level of support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You're all set. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.